Same color walls and trim, modern design trend or mistake? Dear friends, should your walls and trim be the same color? This modern design trend is becoming increasingly popular, but is it actually a smart choice for your home? Matching the walls, baseboards, door frames, and window trim creates a clean and seamless appearance. Instead of breaking the room into separate sections, everything visually flows together. This can make a space feel more sophisticated, calm, and contemporary. Using one color can also make a small room appear larger. When the trim doesn't contrast with the walls, there are fewer visual interruptions, helping the room feel more open and connected. But there's a catch. If the same color is used everywhere without considering the finish or shade, the room can sometimes look flat or lack definition. Architectural details may disappear instead of standing out. The solution is not necessarily to choose different colors. Try using the same color in different finishes. For example, use a matte or eggshell finish on the walls and a satin or semi-gloss finish on the trim. This creates subtle contrast while maintaining a coordinated look. This trend works especially well with neutral shades, earthy tones, whites, and soft contemporary colors. It can also make older architectural details feel more modern. So, is matching walls and trim a mistake? Not at all. When planned carefully, it can create a beautifully polished and modern interior. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.